And obviously we got Elon Musk throwing a spanner in the works as well. There's a lot more to come out of them conversations, I believe.
That bromance wouldn't last. It's just a matter of how long it could last. Obviously, Musk has saved the government some money, but nowhere near what his objective was. What you've got is now you've got money versus power. Which one's going to win out of that?
Today, we're welcoming back a very special guest, Tubby, a veteran with over 50 years of trading experience across all asset classes, exchanges, and eras. Last time we dug into the psychology and discipline behind his long-standing career. This time we're flipping the script. We're looking forward. What does the next decade of trading look like?
Crypto has become more mainstream. You know, it was such a dodgy asset class and all that. But
I've been looking at copper for a while now. They're calling it the new oil, you know?
with copper is, it is a different market, and you can't, just because gold and silver's going up, you can't say I'm going to buy copper, because sometimes it can actually go the opposite way.
Somehow you've kind of kept ahead of the game all the way through.
Yeah, for me, it's always about adapt or die, really, when it comes to trading. You've got to go with the flow. You've got to adjust what you do, how you do it, as you do almost on a daily basis.
We have China's real estate it's really a ticking time bomb somewhat. Obviously, Europe somewhat fragmented. How does AI and quant adapt to that and change?
I get to decide how much volatility I want in my trades. If everybody uses the same AI and everyone comes up with the same ideas, then you're going to end up strangling volatility. Everyone's going to be directional. Every algo is going to want to buy it. Every algo is going to want to sell it. There's not going to be anything in the middle.
We are living in a strange world now. We're trading in a strange environment now at the moment.
The impact that Trump's having on the US economy certainly burst the bubble. It's just a matter of how much damage it's done, really.
Is algorithmic dominance killing volatility, or just changing the rules? Where do gold, crypto, and commodities like copper fit into the new macro puzzle? And how do you stay mentally sharp when the entire game is shifting under your feet? Chris brings a rare perspective, someone who's seen it all, but is still thinking 5 years ahead. Let's get into it.